right, guys, getting ready to go for a test drive up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. We got a 1974 Plymouth Satellite Sundance. They made less than 300 of these. I believe there was only like 100 left from the research that we did online. Should be a pretty cool little test drive. It's got 318 under the hood. It had the AC compressor and everything. We'll be checking that out throughout the video. Also going to be doing a walk around video, pointing out any kind of flaws inside, out, and underneath. We do videos on all the cars, so check our website out, maplemotors.com. You can see all of our inventory. We update that every week. With new cars, about 50 of them run through here a month. So hit that subscribe button. We post videos every day. It's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Before we take off, gonna look around the interior, check everything out. Go ahead, place your bets. Do you think the horn works on this one? I can show you the miles. I can't stand behind them, and it says 47. You know, every time it turns over, it goes back to 0, right? Gas coming up. That's a good sign. Should be working. Temperature's still cold on this one. Let's try this horn. Y'all ready? It works. Works good. Let's try the radio. Yeah, we can jam. All right, AC. The blower motor is working, and you can hear the vents switching. But the compressor's not pulling down on the motor, so it's not going to be working. Windshield wipers do work. Look how wild this interior is. You know, it's nice and clean. I'm gonna take her down the road. Let's see how she drives. Trying to get the seatbelt back here. Seatbelt's acting wild. Give me the seatbelt. It looks nice and new too. I think it's just stuck down in that. Yeah. We're not gonna be able to use it for this video. So we're gonna take off down the road. We do got seatbelts in here. Let's see if this side's stuck. It's stuck too. I don't know what's up with that. It doesn't make a lot of sense, guys. All right. I'm gonna take off down the road. We're gonna check everything out. If I see anything wrong with this vehicle, I will let you know. Heavy traffic right now, 4:30. This will be my last video. Probably post this one in the morning. I really am trying to get this seatbelt. It's just locked up. So this guy had a little note he left with the car. It says less than 300 built for 6 months. Come in 2 colors, gold and white. Engines at 318, 150 horsepower, and less than 100 remain. This is our customer's review on the car, so that's what he says. Let's take off here. Tell you what, that was pretty smooth. Coming out of the lot, steering's nice and tight. We're going really straight down the road. It's not pulling to the left or right. Kick down's hooked up. Speedometer's coming up on the dash. Our temperature's coming up on the dash as well. The alternator's working. Turn signals are popping up on both sides. Check these brakes before we get too close. So when I hit the brakes, it pulls me to the right. See it? Surprised at how clean this thing is. Being white interior, usually it gets dirty fast. Somebody stayed on top of this one. And they actually left us half a tank of gas. Yeah, it's definitely pulling to the right, look. Well, I wasn't hoping, but I was thinking that it was gonna turn. Hey, the turn signals are popping up on the fenders on both sides, and they are working. What I was saying is every time I hit the brakes, it kind of pulled to the right, so I was already going to the right without having to turn that way. It does feel like that's getting better though. We probably had some dust on the brakes and it's kind of burning it off. So in this parking lot here, we're gonna ride up and down. In the description below, I have all my equipment that I use. We're gonna get some outside shots and drive over the camera a few times. Make these videos. Okay, we're rolling out of here. Engine temperature's good. Motor's running smooth. Nice little car. And rain's about to move in, so we need to get back. This is definitely a cruiser. Nice quiet ride. I'm gonna take a right here. Let them get on ahead of us a little bit. We'll give her some gas. Speed bumps coming up in the road. You're not gonna feel it in this car. Just hopped on over it. What was that rolling noise? Here's something rolling behind the dash now. Wasn't doing that before. I think it's under the hood. We gotta see what that is. Is it in the vent system? I hear it, but I don't know what it is. We'll see if we can figure that out. Mystery of the day. What is that noise? What are you doing, man? Y'all done lost your mind. It's coming. There's something in here rolling around. I don't know what it was. I still can't see it. Maybe y'all can see it. Stick you down in there. Get the camera in it. What is that? I don't know. I'm gonna pull it out here in a second. There's something rolling around in there. It was up under the dash. I don't think it's anything major. I think something just fell down in there. Because behind this, it's up there. I'm not sure. It's nice and clean up under here. All right, guys. Once we figure that out, we will let you know. I do appreciate. Just walk around with a flag. I appreciate you watching these videos. It's getting a little goofy up here today. Everybody's tired of working, I guess. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Check out maplemotors.com for close to 100 detailed photos. You can check out TikTok. This guy does all the TikTok videos. I had some stuff randomly. You can check out Facebook, Instagram. Am I missing one of them? Snapchat. Yes, Snapchat. We got financing and shipping information for all the vehicles. What? We're all family. That changes, dude. All right, guys. I'll see y'all later. We got some more stuff to do, I guess.